Hello students, today we will learn basic concepts in geometry. Before starting this lesson, let us learn or let us know what is geometry. Geometry is seen everywhere in our surrounding. Do you see the sun rising? Do you see this? Do you see this one? See this one? What is this? This is a book. Everything you see in your surroundings have some specific shapes and size and measurements. And for all this, if you have to learn all this, you have to know the basic concepts in geometry. So let's start. Okay. First of all, we will learn point. What is the point? See this. This is the point. If you have to draw the point, first of all, you should have to take a sharp pencil and give a single dot. Means like this. This dot is the symbol of a point. And this point can be named in the capital letters of any alphabet. So, point is a single dot that can be named by any alphabet. Second, line segment. If we take 2 points and draw a line between these points, this is called a line segment. It cannot be extended further. Line segment. The meaning is hidden in the word only. Line means line. Segment means part. The line which has made the part by giving the 2 points, that is called as line segment. Line segment is drawn in between the 2 points and it can also be named by any capital alphabet. Third, we'll see the line. What is a line? Line means when we draw a line without giving any point. This is the line, and here on both the sides we will give the arrow. This arrow indicates that this line can be extended to both the sides to any extent. This line goes here to any extent. This line also goes this side in this direction to any extent. This is called as line. Next, we'll see the ray. Previously, I have told you the example of the sun. When the sun shines, the rays fall on us. The rays fall on us. So, from where does this ray starts? The ray starts from the point called as sun. And that's why any line that starts from one point and goes in one direction to any extent, it is called as the ray. The ray starts from any point and it can extend to any direction to any extent. That is called as ray. Next, concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means two or more lines passing through a single point. This is the single point and more than two lines are passing through this single point. That is called as concurrent lines. These are more than two lines and all the lines are passing through a single point. Next, collinear points. When three or more than 3 points lies on a single line. When 3 or more than 3 points lies on a single line, these points are called as collinear points. Next, non-collinear points. The line that can't passes through the points, that points are called as non-collinear points. This is the line and these are the points. This line is drawn but it is not passed through these points. So these points are called as non-collinear points. This is also a line but this line passes through these points and these points are more than 3 and that's why these points are called as collinear points. But this line cannot passes through these points and that's why these points are called as non-collinear points. Next, plane. If I want to draw all these figures, if I want to put a single point, I cannot put that point in the air. I want some plane so that I can put that point, that line segment, that ray on that plane. That's why the plane is the thing on which any figure can be drawn. This plane can be extended to all the 4 sides to any extent. Okay. Next, the parallel lines. The two lines that cannot meet each other at any point. If I extend this line further and if I extend this line further, both these lines cannot meet at any point. And if I extend this line in this direction and this line in this direction, these lines also don't meet at any point in this direction also. And in this way, these are the basic concepts in geometry. And to draw these basic concepts or to understand these basic concepts, you have to have a sharp pencil, a scale, a eraser and all things which are very, very, very useful for geometry. To learn geometry, all these things are very useful. So, now we will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.